Ever have one of those days when things aren't going just right? Like when you go to put on your shoes. And one shoe looks like this, and the other shoe looks like that. And I'm wondering, when did that happen? It doesn't look right at all. But that's beside the point. I go to start up this refrigeration unit here, this reefer, and it just does nothing. And it's on. Just start, run, but it's nothing. So we'll open it up where the battery is. There it is. And I always have a meter or a test light put on 20 volts. Hold on. Set the little girl up here. This is nearly impossible. I'm not going to be able to show you, I don't think. Oh, nearly dropped it. But it's only got 6 volts. Oh. So I go get these battery cables, these jumper cables in the pallet here, and they're on sale, $29, which is probably still overpriced. She rings them up, she says, oh, that's $43. So we had to get an override. I got the cables hooked up. Not the easiest thing to do over your head, you know, but I got them hooked up. So I'll connect them to the truck's external battery ports. So the charging ports, the battery external ports for the jump ports are on the poster on that frame rail on the driver's side. I hooked the meter up to the cables. You see I only have 7 volts. So let's hook this thing up. Yeah, I should probably start the truck first. Whoa, that's a lot of power. It's sparky. And let's start the truck. Oh hell, we'll just go ahead and hit that. There you go. Watch this. It'll probably start right up now. If not, I'll go ahead and start the truck. Come on. Anytime. If it doesn't have enough to start it, I'll start the truck and that'll do it. I have to wait on it to go through all of its tests, self-test. God, it takes forever sometimes, it seems like. Alright, fire up, baby. Fire up. Alright, I heard the solenoid click. And anytime. There it is. There's the warning. Uh-oh, he couldn't do it. So we'll start the truck.
You have one unread message. You have one unread message. You have 8 hours and 0 minutes of remaining drive time.
Alright.
You have 8 hours and 0 minutes of remaining drive time.
Idle it up. We'll try again. It didn't start right away with the jumper cable, so I'm gonna leave them alone there for a while, go get a shower, and when I come back, maybe it'll be good. Maybe somebody won't steal my cables. Let's try it one more time before I go get my shower. Because I would rather run the Reefer unit to charge the battery than my truck to jump it. So it'll be worth trying one more time. Takes this damn thing a while to initialize, go through its circuits and stuff, and systems checks. Air dryer sure is loud, isn't it? It's one of those kind of weeks, man. It's been tough. Running over deer and hitting birds. Cruising, the Jake brake not working. Dome lights quit working. Reefer unit won't start. Jeez. Hear it beeping anytime now. Ain't gonna start. Not out of fuel, is it? No, it's full on fuel. Son of a gun. Well, let's continue to let it jump because it was low voltage. And I'll get my shower and come back. I sure hate to idle my truck though. I hate doing it. Well, the sun's gone down. It's been about an hour. This thing's been on the booster. So let's push the red button and see what happens. I hope it starts. I need it to start. like it's got no fuel. And I have a suspicion. Just hope my flashlight will last long enough for me to look in here. Even though the fuel gauge on the tank says full, I've got a funny feeling that it's empty. I gotta look. My flashlight. No, it's full. Time to get in touch with our road assist people. I don't need to play with it any longer. Okay, sorry about the lighting, but when I got done with the jumpers, it just cranks over real fast, but won't start. They think it might be a priming issue, so I'm kind of looking at wires and stuff, make sure everything's connected. I remember on the APU the other day, it was a simple wire connection. This thing is pretty clean, man, like it's new or something. Anyway, I'm gonna unscrew this and release the primer and pump it for a while and see if it'll start. I can't hold the phone and do it though. Well, Road Assist sent me information to remove the fitting on the bottom of the pump and clean the pickup screen. But the pickup screen, it is clean. So I'm gonna put it back together. I had to go to the Petro. I did not have a filter wrench big enough. I eventually discovered that it was pumping fuel, the little, the pump I was working on earlier in the dark. It was actually pumping fuel up to the filter, but it wasn't coming out. He put some fuel in the filter and it fired right up. Hallelujah.